I set up a system so that we could donate food to local charities in our town. We support Martha's Vineyard, Family Service Society, and Merriman House. We give them the supplies that they need, mostly non-perishable food supplies, but we also did give some other items like shampoos and toiletries and things. I got my fellow associates involved by telling them about the program and how it worked, and that's important to me because here at Kroger we're a family and we do everything together. I'm a millennial, so it's important for me to work for a company that I can actually stand behind, a company that values the same things that I do, and not letting people starve and not polluting the environment with more garbage is definitely something that I personally stand behind, and it's just really cool that Kroger also has those same values. I'm Amber Winchester and I'm a Zero Hero.